Afternoon, folks. Dog walker with you. We're out again, enjoying our exercise time. We're just down the road from the house. Don't know if you can see them behind me. Benji and Diane. Don't know, can you see? Can't see because the light on the camera. Right, we're in Beechesfield Nature Reserve here in Madeley, Telford. We're just off out on a bit of a walk round. It's the 3rd of January, February, April? That's it, April. I had to think then. Yeah, 2020 anyway. During lockdown, as they say. Can't wait for it to be lifted so we can get out properly. You know, proper walks, and I've got some new camping stuff I want to try out, so I want to do some overnight camps and what have you. Right, we're actually at, like I said, we're in Beechesfield Nature Reserve, and I'm just sat right at the water's edge of the pool. There's the doggies. The reason I decided to stop here actually was because as I was walking around that side there, I heard some croaking of frogs or toads, whatever. I just thought I'd stop and have a listen. Wasn't intending on doing a video at all, but I just thought I would anyway, being as I heard that noise. Over in them reeds over there, there's there's 2 ducks. There's only the 2, but they've been here a while now. Mr. and Mrs. Mallard. Shame there isn't more on here, but saying that, it's only a small pool. Just enjoying this, sitting here, a couple of minutes, bit of chill out time. What's everyone else up to? See the bungalow in the distance there, and behind it you can see the mound. That mound is the Meadow Pit mound, a bit further up into Madeley. Alright, let's just go back over this way. And see, or if the croaking gets any louder. Can't see nothing. And I can't hear anything apart from the birds tweeting. Ah, it's coming from that direction there. Bring you back in a minute, folks, because there's some people coming. I'm going to put the dogs on the lead. Alright, dogs are back on the lead. People over the far side. Now, down here is where the croaking was coming from. Now, there's some coming from over that side. Right, let's have a walk back around. Right, this is where I was sat. Yeah, I was sat just here. Right, hopefully, now then people are gone, I might hear some more of the croaking. And there's Mr. Mallard over there. Right, like I said, let's have a walk around the other side. I'll bring you back in a minute, folks. I'm just trying not to cover the microphone up on the camera because I haven't got my stabilizer with me today. Like I said, I weren't planning on doing this video. Right, I heard some croaking coming from this side, so it's not coming from this side now. It's coming back from over there where I was before. Right, anyway, let's have a look around this way, because I could also hear some from here. No. It's still coming from over there where I was before. Oh well. Right, that's it then, folks. That's Beach's pool, but not the one on Woodlands Lane, by Woodlands House. Where everybody used to go fishing. Nice little place, just to chill. Right, I'm going to leave it at that. We're going up that direction, and I'll see you soon in another video. So I'll say bye for now. Stay safe, everybody.